DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking Jaguar 2 litre XE R Sport. It's a lovely dark blue colour, absolutely immaculate upgraded alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhausts, full R Sport body styling. Boots in lovely condition. Contrasting leather trim, electric windows, electric mirrors. Start the car up. It's done 117,229 miles. So we've got reverse camera, park distance control, the home menu, got satellite navigation, full media pack, Bluetooth streaming for music and phone, different driving styles, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. Really is a lovely high specification car that drives ever so well. DJH or full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.